told us to check on the
I
floor.
didn't say check on the ground.
Those can be next firework day, just in case, you know.
Thank you.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Hello guys, welcome back to the third and final version of lighting sparklers for no reason. It's gonna be great, guys. Look at this, look at this. This is fantastic. There's a piece of metal. It's doing nothing to it. It's burning some water droplets. Pretty useless. Oh, I spin it. Whoa, pretty cool, guys, ain't it? Ain't it? Bye. Oh yeah, I feel like it's gonna fall up. Aha! Oh, I've completed it already. And that was the last version of lighting sparklers. Hope you all had a great time. Good night.